resolution. It is a powerful inference rule used in artificial intelligence and predicate logic to prove a statement automatically. So we take a statement and negate it, then prove that the negation is false. It means the given statement is true. So it is a proof technique used to check whether the conclusions logically will follow from the given facts, which is called knowledge base. Given facts are known as knowledge base, and we have to check whether the conclusion logically follow from the facts or not. So how we work, we convert the English statements into the FOL or FOPL, which is called first ordered predicate logic. So all the statements are converted into FOL, then convert the statements into the clauses, which is called clauses form, clausal form, or we can say CNF form. So all the statements are to be in CNF form. Now apply the rule to eliminate the contradictions. So all the contradictions are eliminated, and if contradiction is found, then the negative statement is taken as false. At the end, if we find a null statement, means then we can say that the given taken negative statement is false. It means the given statement is true, because we start from negative of the true statements. So prove negative as false, then given statement is true. Let's take an example. There are some sentences. So humidity is high or sky is cloudy. Second, the sky is cloudy, then it will rain. Third one is humidity is high, then it is hot. And fourth one is it is not hot. So for representing these sentences in first order logic, let's take some predicates. P as humidity is high, and Q represent sky is cloudy, R it will rain, and S represent it is hot. So by taking these, we will represent these statements. First, humidity is high means P, and second part is sky is cloudy means Q. How they are written? By OR. We will put OR sign. So this is the FOL, first order predicate logic representation of this sentence. Then sky is cloudy, then it will rain. Sky is cloudy means Q, then it will rain means R. So it is conditional. If sky is this one is true, then this will be true. So we will put this implies sign. So sky is cloudy, then it will rain. If humidity is high, then it is hot. Humidity is high means P, then it is hot means S. So implies sign aayega. P is true, then S is true. Then it is not hot means S means hot, and not hot means not of S. So these sentences are in first order predicate logic. So convert these into CNF form. So let's convert these into CNF form. So there is a rule that if there is a clause x to y, then in CNF form, how we represent, we have to remove this implies sign. So when we remove this sign, we have to negate the first one, means negative of x, and second as it, and put OR sign between them. Again, if we want to eliminate this implies sign, negate the first one, not x, write second as it y, and put the OR sign. So it is not x or y. So this is already in CNF, so we'll write P or Q. So there implies sign, so we will negate first one, not Q or R. So second as it, and in between sign is OR. Similarly, P implies S, we have to remove this, we have to eliminate this sign, imply sign. So not P or S. This is already in CNF form, so we will write it as not S. So basically we have to remove this implies sign. So these are removed in this. Now these statements can be used for resolution. So we are given that prove that it is rain. It is rain means the sentence is represented by R, and negative of rain is not R. So we will start from not R. So we want to prove that it will rain means we want to prove R, but we will prove that not R is false. So start from not R and couple this statement with some statement which have reverse of this, negative of this. This is not R means we find the statement which contains R. So this statement, second statement contain R, not Q or R, not Q or R. So if we combine these two statements, R and not R will cancel out and we are left with not Q. So this is not Q, combine it with some statement which have positive Q. So this has positive Q, P or Q, P or Q. So if we combine not Q and Q will cancel out and we are left with only P. Combine this statement, it contains P with some statement which have negative P. So this have a negative P, not P or S, not P or S. So these will cancel out and we are left with S. So combine this statement with statement which has negative S. So this has negative S, negative S. Combine these statements and they will cancel out and we are left with nothing. So we are empty. So empty, कुछ हमारे पास कुछ नहीं बचा इसमें से. So this proves that not R is false. Not R is false. It means R is true. It means it will rain. R true means it will rain. This is what we have to prove. So this is the process of proving by resolution. Thank you.